Look at that, Bangor Aroostook. A miniature of it. Cool. Look at this. Bring in the coal. Back in the old days, that's the way the farmhouse was heated. You ordered your cool when it went down to the basement. Through the winter, you shoveled it into the furnace. And then it went up to all the rooms in the house. Look at that. I'm giving you a nice sample. The whole thing is like, thank you.
My woodcraft pulp.
Yeah. Isn't that cute? Refrigerator. There's all your lumber. Ah, it's so cool. Expo 67, And then an empty one there. Bangor and Aroostook. All right. Oh, isn't that just cool to see? Huh? Nice little display of a miniature one all the way. All right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing it to you. Be sure to join me as a friend, and by all means, share the video. Bye-bye.